Okay, so what I'll do is I'll open up my modeler interface from the Geomatica toolbar. And I'm going to open up a model that is pre-constructed to do this analysis in a completely automated manner. Here we have two images that are being imported. So this is the June 20th image, this is the May 27th image. We perform an auto shift to make sure that the two images are perfectly aligned and co-registered. This is a clip algorithm that's going to only isolate the changes over the airport. We're going to export a copy of our image to be able to use as a reference. The next thing is we're going to split out the vector data, which is going to be making its way through here from the raster data. So we need to keep only the raster data to pass to the main algorithm that we're going to be using, which is the Coherent Change Detection Intensity. This algorithm is going to compare the calibrated information from the two RadarSat images, which are perfectly co-registered, and identify the changes related to the changes in the signal from the ground. The next thing we'll do is we'll pass a specific layer on to this other really nice algorithm which allows us to extract polygons from raster data. So this will give us a vector layer that's going to identify the exact location of our changes, and we're going to retain a copy of our raster data set to be able to perform this analysis, to view the results of the analysis. All right, so once we've completed our analysis, what we'll be left with is essentially a vector layer, which is what we see here, which I can zoom in on and query. And these vectors are identifying the exact location of the particular changes. So here we have a polygon that's showing a couple of planes. Here's another plane, here's another one. This particular object was present in the May 27th image and is gone on the June 20th, and these are new objects to the data set on June 20th. And if I turn on a reference layer just to give you a sense here, this is just a reference optical layer, and you can see that roughly these polygons are the same size as a plane. So we have multiple planes here that are parked. Probably have maybe some vehicles parked along here, maybe some planes. We can see that there's a plane down here underneath these polygons. So it could be some planes, depending on the size of the polygons and its location. We can take an estimated guess or make an estimated guess as to the type of object that we're looking at. Here we can see some changes related to cars. So we can see several new cars that are parked in this parking lot on the June 20th date when the second image was captured. And we have some other changes along here related to possibly to equipment moving around in and around the airport. So this is what our final result is going to look like. And in order to do this in a completely automated way, we're going to be using Modeler. So what I'll do is I'll just completely delete everything off the canvas, and I'm going to rebuild the model from scratch so you can get a sense of how easy it is to do this.